In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just want a cleaner, faster workflow, adding hyperlinks is one of the simplest ways to make your pages more useful. Hyperlinks let you turn any piece of text into a clickable gateway to a website, a document, or another resource, so your notes stay focused while still pointing to everything you need. Let's start with the quickest approach, the paste over method. First, copy the URL you want to use so it's on your clipboard. Make sure it includes the full address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so Notion recognizes it as a link. Next, highlight the exact words in your Notion page that you want to turn into the link. Choose something descriptive, like a project name or a resource title, rather than pasting the raw URL. This keeps your page readable. With the text still highlighted, press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. Instantly, Notion applies the link to that text. You can hover over it to preview the address, click to open it, or press undo if you made a mistake. This method is great when you already have the link ready and want to move quickly without breaking your writing flow. Now, the toolbar method. This is perfect if you prefer a more visual approach or want to paste a link you don't already have on your clipboard. Highlight the text you want to link. As soon as you select it, a small formatting toolbar appears. Click the link option on that toolbar. A field will open where you can paste or type the URL. After you've entered it, press enter. Your selected text becomes a hyperlink right away. This method is helpful when you want to double-check the URL before applying it, or when you like the confirmation of seeing the link box pop up. A few quick tips to keep your links tidy and reliable. Use meaningful link text so it's clear where each link leads. Test your links right after adding them, especially if you copied them from another source. And if something doesn't look right, remember, you can always undo or reapply the link without disrupting your page. That's all there is to it. Paste over highlighted text to apply a link in one motion, or use the formatting toolbar if you like a guided flow. If you found value in today's video, hitting like is a small gesture that makes a big difference in helping others discover this content. We're always looking to improve, so drop a note in the comments. Tell us what helped most or share ideas for how we can level up. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.